Good afternoon, welcome back to ID Garage. Different day, different vehicle. BMW 4 Series 2 litre diesel with a blown turbo. We've assessed the vehicle, we've changed the turbo, all oil feed and return pipes, all for genuine BMW. Clean the DPF. We're going to do the air filter and the oil filter now. Realised why the turbo's gone. Look at that. This is why we stress that regular servicing is imperative. So we need to clean all the intercooler out, all the pipe work out, get the vehicle up and running, check it for leaks, and that'll be another fix.